soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's on, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on.
Here we have Mr. Ignatius Fernandes with us, the proud owner of Siolim United. Ignatius, a few questions. If you could throw some light on today's tournament, what exactly it is and who's organizing it.
Hi to everyone, and today we are here at Jadaff grounds. This is the second edition of the Siolkars Cup brought together by all the Siolkars in Dubai, and I'm so proud that we are all together on one platform. It was a team that I had, Siolim United, but now we have come together and to be playing as one team, that is FC Siolim, and I'm so happy to be part of it, and we hope to take this new joint venture with help of all of the Siolkars here to great heights.
Ignatius, Siolim has always been one of the footballing villages of Goa. What do you have to say about it? How has Siolim been a big part of Goa's footballing fraternity?
Yes, if I go back to the history of Siolim football from Mr. Lube, the president of the FC Siolim team, and there have been great talent that came up from Siolim soil, like to name a few, Ignatius Fernandes, John Franco, Caetano Fernandes, amazing talent, and latest we have Anthony, who plays at the Goa FC, and likewise, and I hope it will continue.
Yeah. Any special message you want to give to all the Siolkars all across the globe?
Yes, my message to all the Siolkars is always to be united and to stick together. When it is a competition, you cannot stand alone to be a winner. Come together, and that is what I have learned, and we hope that we can continue this unity together.